Good morning. Ay, saan kayo? Good morning, guys. Naka-zoom in pa pala kayo. Good morning. Ayan. Ito yung nabili namin sa Ulit kagabi. Sak nag-request. Ito raw yung lunch nila. Chicken nuggets ulit. Pinapakulang ko na pala yung corn. And ayun, mayroon tayong broccoli. Pinapainit na rin natin to para sa ating chicken nuggets. And ang batang obsessed sa curl. Yan na yung lunch box nila. Yan na yung ating chicken nuggets, broccoli, corn, and fruits, cupcakes, and yung kanilang biscuits. And eto kay Holly, kay Kuya. Yan. Sauce! Update. 10 o'clock na guys, and ako, niluluto ko yung tira natin na chicken nuggets. Mixture, yung chicken mince. Eto, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng breadcrumbs. Pure chicken lang talaga siya with veggies. And si Jan, pumasok siyang nanginginig. Kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. Sabi niya, I need a hot shower, but okay. Alis din pala kami. So, nailigo na siya. And after kong kumain, ako naman yung mag-aayos. Kasi punta kami ng town. May gagawin lang kami doon. And yung tirang mga veggies, eto. And may isang chicken nugget. Ito yung ating brunch. Okay na ako. Kainin ko lang sa'yo. Mag-ready na rin ako. Kasi si Jan, ayaw niyan malate sa mga ganap namin. Eh, meron pa. Nilinis ko yung mga kalat ko dito. Paggawa ng lunch ng mga baon ng mga bata. And after, nag-vacuum, and balik na ako dito. Kulang na lang talaga bed. Dito na ako nakatira sa kusina. Okay, kain muna tayo guys. So, yan yung ating plate. Ang ganda ng kulay. And hinit ko yung yung veggies. Hindi ko napansin. Nilagay ko pala dito yung blueberries. Tingnan nyo, pumutok na yung blueberries. Tapos yung cucumber. Mainit na sila. Dito na ako sa pot. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, go get dressed now. Put your cardigan. Kasi lagi na lang naka-cardigans nga. So ngayon, naka-turtleneck ako. What time is it now, huh? And naka-jeans. Nag-powder lang ako. Hindi ko mahanap yung skintific kung cushion. So yung powder lang. Tapos sipon-sipunan, sabi ni Heart dito. Tapos Lady Boss. And dala ko to kasi malamig. May coat ako doon pero parang hindi kaya. Kailangan ng makapal na cushion. Cushion, ayan. Puff. Yan ang aking Johnny Boy. Kinda similar with the color. Think so?
Wow.
The color of our top, your jacket and mine, like brown. No, I said kinda. Diba? Circle. Maulan. Look at that pump. That's a lot. Lamig, ang ulan. Sarap pumigop ng sabaw. Do you want bulalo ba?
Huh?
Bulalo? What you gonna have for dinner? Don't tell me you're gonna get schnitzel, huh?
Oh, that's right.
Hey, you just had one at home.
When?
This week.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
I love that.
Gusto niya beef schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel parmesan kasi yung ginawa ko. Mas prefer ni Jan ang red meat. Right, babe? ayaw niya. So, mamaya for sure, schnitzel na naman sa kanya. I bet Saka will get that. So, schnitzel. I hope not because they just had chicken schnitzel last night and then chicken nuggets for lunch today. Kuya, I think we'll get fish. Kuya spaghetti. Mahilig si Kuya sa pasta. Holly, fish. Ako, hindi ko pa alam. Ano kaya? Baka mag-ano lang ako do they have is it season na the oyster? No? Sana may oyster para mag-Kilpatrick na lang ako. Nice and warm yun. May dala akong Choco Blast pero mamaya ko pa siya iinumin. Dinala ko lang. Kasi uwi pa naman kayo sa bahay. Pero titimpray ko na pag pauwi namin after ng lakad namin, inumin ko na siya. Kasi ayoko naman pag inom ko to baka abutan ako na sa pupunta na. May dala akong extra water. Where's my extra water? Ayan. Hindi nga ako nakapagkilay. Brush ko lang yan. Ay dito, naglagay akong konti lang. Yung dito lang. Kasi alam mo naman tayo tumalig sa mga appointment. Yeah.
You got me overthinking here where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you and me, like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct.
Dito na kami sa pupuntahan namin. Iwan ko na kayo dito. What time, hon?
Yeah.
Now? Okay. See you later, guys. So, pauwi na kami, guys. Tapos na kami sa aming appointment. Time is 12:30. 12:30, guys. Ang sarap kung sa amin to, sa Bicol ganito, masarap mag-champurado, mag-bilo-bilo. Ay, ang dami masarap na kainin. Hindi ko lang kung saan naman nakapuntang kainan. Sa mga post niya sa Reels, ang dami niyang masasarap na pinopost. Dito, ako ang gagawa para makain ko mga yun. Dahil wala naman tayo mapagbibilhan dito. Right, babe?
Oh.
Just say yes. Yeah. Now I said, in the Philippines we can go somewhere and eat whatever we want. But here, I have to make it so that I can eat it. Am I right? That's right. Dito na sila.
Hi, Pa!
Hi.
Hi, Pa.
How's your day? Mwah. Oh, that's freezing, Saki.
Sorry.
Hi, Yan. Get ready.
Zach!
Mom,
Here.
Zach!
I didn't know
What?
Grandparents' Day.
Huh?
I didn't know it was Grandparents' Day.
Today?
Yeah, but I can give this
To Nana.
Like,
Yeah, give that to Nana today.
yeah,
as
yeah, it's on
many.
the lawn.
It says
You're gonna say
grandparents and
You're gonna say
special-
Nana today.
Yep.
5:45 na pala, guys. And si Jan, wina-warm na yung car kasi alis na kami. May dinner tayo with Mom and Auntie Mel. And, wow, naka-blush.
Auntie
oh.
Mel?
Yeah, and Uncle Jay. Tingnan mo naman siya.
I didn't
Naka-blush.
put any blush on.
Yes, she did.
No, I didn't, and I'm
Older.
hot.
What's that?
I'm hot.
No, you're not.
Did you?
I didn't put any blush on.
You sure? Let me
No.
see.
Look, 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 look.
No, you don't have to. Hugasan niyo.
You order my new shoes.
Order you a new shoes. Why? What's wrong with
I
that
don't
one?
feel it.
Come here, boy.
Sige na! Sige na!
I want new.
He wants new one.
Yeah, but there's none in Australia, mate.
Yeah, order.
There's no order or nothing. Remember, I tried to order at that shop.
No,
New
you
Balance
order
gusto ni
offline.
Kuya.
I did. She got online and said, oh, sorry, there's none of them available anywhere in Australia.
Naghanap ka ng sapatos.
It was
Gusto
that song.
I don't know where they're getting it from. Probably not their this size.
Then
Well, we'll look. We can still look.
You have a look online and see if you can get it. You can't get
Yeah.
it. The lady said to me.
right from outside Australia.
Amazon. I will look. Amazon. Yung New Balance, kung maalala yung naghahanap kami nung nando kami sa...
Turn that light off and leave the
Sa
kitchen
ano?
light.
Sa Queensland, nung nag-shopping kami, naghanap kami ng sapatos niya. Walang size niya talaga. And si Jan nag-try din online, walang makita. Si Sam, ayaw niyang suotin yung kanyang ano, pants. Wear your pants, Zachary. Tingnan mo, gusto niya, naka-shorts lang siya. Eto, ganito ba? Pero, yung black one, right? Yeah? You want the black one?
Why the black one?
Kuya, oh, smells good, Johnny. Magpapabango na talaga ang aking boys. Ay. Okay. Nandun na yung aking jacket sa car. Dito na kami. Ito yung table namin. And si Holly, dala niya na yung ibibigay niya kay Nana. Grandparents Day, right?
Yeah, or especially friend night.
Tingnan mo si Holly. Yung nasa Bali pa siya nito. Where's my drink? Yeah. Meron silang raspberry. Oh, yan lamig. May in-edit akong reel. Yung nag-prepare ako ng baon. Like, baon series.
Mommy, who's a drink?
Lemon lime.
That was excellent.
Mamaya, lulutuin ko yung natirang meals.
You see it coming.
Kasi bukas alis kami, di ba? Ha? Hi, Uncle Leon. Maglakad kayo, ma?
Seat's going to get wet. Sorry, that's all good.
Oh, love the fire. Where's Mommy Daddy? How old are you being, Tita Jan? In your 5 and 6?
Hello,
Four, auntie. Oh, 4 pa lang. What do you want to drink? Ito yung pinaka-baby namin. Hi! Are you going home? Where are you going home? Are you going again? You're just visiting, huh? Don't be shy. Ayan na yung garlic bread. Dalawa. Ito yung sa akin. Steak, surf and turf. May seafood siya tapos salad. Pasta pala kay Kuya. Kay Sak Pizza. Si Holly, fish and chips. Si Jan, parmi. Ang sarap ng steak ko. Bahay na kami guys. Iba, madilim. Baba, get your lunch back so I can wash it. No. Yeah. And then Sak. Di ba, gini na namin. Box ni Sak. Ayan.
Did you finish it?
Yes, there's only 2 watermelon. And
Well, actually, I'll just need to borrow your phone.
what?
Probably.
Huh?
My bag.
What's wrong with your bag? Sitting of what? Ayan, ubos ni Kuya. Kuya, why this is dirt?
Oh, no.
What do you mean you don't know?
My bag, probably.
What do you mean your bag? Hugasan ko to. Baba, have a shower and get your gear for your netball
Wait, do you know
tomorrow.
where it is?
There, it's hanging there. Did you finish it? No. You didn't?
No.
Oh, but you eat the nuggets.
Yeah, and I had the sauce is empty.
So you got 3 broccoli and 1 corn. The rest gone. A little bit of cucumber.
What? No, there's no cucumber left.
Alright. Okay guys, ipiprepare ko na yung gamit namin para bukas kasi alis kami after ng game. So yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night guys! So hugasan ko lang naman to. Good morning guys. Ayan, ready na tayo.
Oh, I need to put perfume on.
Oh, lalagay daw siya ng perfume. Ready tayo sa games ng mga bata. Then after ng games, Adelaide tayo. Niluto ko yung chicken. Ayan yung kawali. Yung tira natin chicken. Basta pang buko. Gusto ko sanang itali. Dito tayo sa Portmac maglalaro. This time, home base tayo. Gusto ko saan siyang itali. Mamaya na lang siguro, no? Kasi basa pa siya. Kamusta na yung aking base? Oh! Yung time ko as in, ang ganda ng tubo. Dumadami pa. Diligan ko yung time. Anak, mint. Yung mint natin. Diligan ko to. Yung time, ay nako, yung time, hindi na ganun kaganda. Kailangan to kasi may sun. Wala tayong sun dito ngayon. Diligan ko to kasi alis tayo. Ay, saan na mabuhay sa iba?
They look dead.
Napakaan.
1 what?
Two water please. Ah, it's raining now. Oh, mababasa kayo. Dito tayo sa car. Alright, baba. Okay. Umuulan. Babalik pa pala kami sa bahay para maligo yung mga bata.
It's going to be wet today, so it's going to be hard to go.
Yeah, it's gonna be wet.
Guess marks today, probably be on call.
Yeah. Who bring towels? Of course. You did?
Oh yeah, I'll just come in the muddy car.
Mud in the car? No, you don't. You have to have a quick shower in the bay. Where's the board?
In the back.
Okay.
Wait, Dad, can I go in there?
No?
Why?
You'll be on the bench, that's where you'll be.
Bahay na,
That's
bahay na
And
kami.
then,
Bayad
can I
lang
have that
kami.
in the budget too, and a budget please.
Ayan, may konting araw.
Thank you. See ya.
Kaya, budget. Here. Oh. What's that one, Han? Alright, we're here. Baba, good luck. See you, mwah. Good luck.
Shut up, Dad, don't
No.
do anything.
What? Hoy. Jackie,
Love you, Mom.
love you. Well, I'm coming, Baba.
Going now.
Okay, you go now. So kami dito walang sige. Good luck. Walang nakalagay na reserve. So pwede mag-park kahit sino. Doon kasi sa mga pinupunta natin mga naka-reserve kahit mauna ka. Wala. Alright. Alis na ako guys. See you later. Dito tayo. Hi.
Money.
You need money. How much?
10.
$10? Go check daddy's wallet. Katapos lang ni Holly. What's this for award, Holly?
That is the one.
I know. Achievement?
Yes.
Yeah. Ayan. Meron naman siyang ano. Okay. Meron siyang free sa Baker's Delight. It's either this one or this one. Ang galing mo. You did well today, Baba.
I found $10. Thank you.
Nag-ano siya. You got 2 goals, right? Careful.
Yeah, not too long.
Ayan siya. Say hi. Holly.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, that's 12. So, yan, see ya. Love you too. Ngayon, mag-start na yung boys in 1 minute. Mag-start na sila. Dinala ko yung aking nilutong chicken nuggets. Ayan. Nasaan? Bye.
Mom, did I just start?
Yeah, just starting. Okay?
Do you know what time they will finish?
You had to check, okay?
Okay,
An
bye.
hour?
Bye.
Yeah, because we're going after.
Love you.
Love you too. You want some? Chicken. And meron tayong protein drink. And kanina, pabalik dito sa car. Ibang car yung binuksan ko. Kasi hindi to yung car namin. Kasi lahat ng car dito halos hindi naman nilala kasi wala naman papasok. Wala pa. And nandito lang yung mga gamit-gamit. Ano yun? So mamaya pupunta ako doon kung saan si Jan nagko-coach. Malamig. Masarap sa ito, kumain niya. Wala akong ketchup. So first meal ko talaga 10 o'clock. Tapos last, kasi ako 18 hours fasting. So far, almost perfect naman. Kagawin niya kasi ang oras na akong kumain, diba? Dapat yung last meal ko 4 o'clock. Nag-dinner kami. So yun, hindi doon nasunod. Sarap. Good luck, boys. Hi, Zach.
Hi.
You did well. Also, Kuya. Kuya got 7 goals and 4 points. 5 points si Kuya. And Zach did a good kick and Kuya TJ marked it many times. Like twice or 3 times?
More than that.
More, yeah. Ang dami. As in siya, kinikick ni Zach, tapos laging namamark ni Kuya. Ang ganda ng nila, laro. Kuya did 7 goals. Yung score, 11 goals, total of 102. Tapos,
130.
no, 102, 6, 11.
130.
What? 6, yeah, but plus the points.
130.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying the 11 goals is equivalent of 102 plus the points. So 11 goals, 7 doon kay Kuya. Diba? Ang galing ng Kuya. And you too, Zach, you did well. You pass it to Kuya. Tapos malayo sila, guys. As in malayo. Tapos bago pa ma-mark ni Kuya, madami pang tao din dyan sa pero si Kuya lagi niya namamark. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng kick ni Zach. You kick really good, Zach. What are you eating?
Chips.
With gravy?
Mhm.
The best player. Kuya is first best player. How about you, Zach? Are you best player? Number 1, 2, 3? 3. Who's second best player?
Hudson.
Oh, okay. You done well too, Hudson. And who's the other little boy that got a goal? Lenny? That was Lenny?
Dan.
Huh?
Dan.
Ah. Look at all those big people there, Zach.
Under 17.
Under 17. Supposed to be Kuya nagtitraining dito kasi hindi siya pwede. Kasi nga, punta tayong Adelaide. Hindi training, maglaro. Under 17. Maliligo lang. You're just gonna have a shower and then we're leaving, right? Everything's ready for all your clothes for state? Napak na yun kagabi. Hindi ko pa nainom yung aking protein drink kasi busog na busog ako dun sa chicken. Asa na sila? Where are they? Okay, alis na tayo. Andito na si Kuya.
Your bag in the back, Zach?
Yes. Well done, Yanni!
I put deodorant on and it just started stinging in that cut.
Oh, you got caught?
Yeah, because me and Jojo are caught in
Oh.
that on purpose.
No, so
Ah,
you should
yes.
have heard what the umpire said, Dad.
Right.
He's like, so when that guy was getting into me on the square, I like jumper punched him back, and then the umpire's like, do that again, I'll give a free to the other to Glencoe. And then Jagger and Will were coming at me, and they're playing another team. He goes, oh no, it's alright, they're on the same team, who cares?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's footy. See, bro.
Holly, say
Yeah.
bye-bye.
Bye bye wave.
Okay, vegan.
Right there looking at.
See, mate. Dad, I had to help.
Hey, go.
Jackie.
No.
Look how muddy it is.
No.
Hudson. See Lenny kick that soccer off the ground in the
Yeah.
game. I went to run at him and I slipped on him.
Do you know all his goals were off the ground, Dad?
Mm-mm.
No,
Mm-mm.
he kicked.
Two.
He snapped a couple.
Hey, no, I did an unselfish play. See that?
Yes,
say that.
yes.
I was gonna go for goal, but then I saw him coming, so I just
Said,
gave him the
yeah,
hands.
you done well, Kuya.
Yeah,
Kasi
but two of them were.
Nah.
Kuya can
You all played
kick,
well today. It's
yeah.
all team effort.
Si Kuya, pwede niya nang i-kick sa goal, pero nakita niya yung isa niyang ka-team na nandun din. Pinasa niya, tapos ayun, naka-goal. Ilang beses niya yun ginawa. Kasi
My
parang
set
na,
shots
ano
not
si
that
Kuya
good.
na, I had enough na rin. So binigay niya na lang, nag-gift turn siya dun sa ano. Kasi pwede niya nang i-kick
Yeah.
na open
Right.
na goal niya,
My
yung
set
pinasa
shots
niya na
aren't
lang.
that good.
Oh, it's a bit hard on the ground.
That's why I was
but-
shocked, Kuya. What Kuya's doing? What he passes? He can just kick it there. But you done well. Oh, ang galing ni
So I could
Kuya.
have had 8 goals today.
You could have 10 today.
You
Then,
didn't get
Trav-
called from
Trav
the
was
umpire,
like-
KJ?
Huh?
You didn't get a call from the umpire?
What?
They didn't say your number. Best on ground. I heard him.
Freaking downfield. He had the ball in his hand. I bumped him and he kicked it.
oh, Holly will be a good netballer one day.
Woogie woogies. I've seen you.
She
mate.
will be good.
Why
I've
do
seen
you
you shooting
pass
goals,
it?
Woogs.
Holly, why are you throwing it over the defender's head? That's how they can grab it.
No,
No.
they're not high enough though.
That's
Because they all block your Zach.
Dad, see that guy, that guy from the midfield that was playing, not that real tall one, that other one, with the orange boots.
You dropped a few marks too today, Ronnie. Like you had so many opportunities today.
Oh, he's still
So
done.
I elbowed the kid in the eye and his had a black eye.
Yeah.
That's
Stop.
Orange boots? The one I was playing on, the real
They
tall
didn't
one.
score even just at least 1 point.
We should have. Now
Walang
we have
score.
no
Minsan naawa
percentage.
ako pag halimbawa
Dad?
0 yung
Wow.
Now
kalaban
we have
nila.
no
Yeah.
percentage.
Kasi four quarters, walang score, as in 0 sila. Sabi, di man lang sila
How many
nakapoint.
Hudson kick?
4.
Yeah, he kicked 4. That what's her name didn't play today, I don't think, bro. So you're right up there, Yanni Rizzler.
I think I'm beating him. Oh, the scores are up already.
You're on 22, aren't you?
23.
23, so you're on 30 now, so you're right up there with them.
Okay, nakaligo na ang mga boys.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
Dad?
What?
He's played 3 games.
Hi.
He's played
Kasi
3.
kailangan
He can
itong
play
tanggalin
finals.
pag
Hi.
naglalaro siya ng
Yeah, hi.
netball.
So, get him play finals.
Ah! Nah.
There it is.
Found it, I found it first.
I just watched that one where I marked.
Right.
Yeah, thank you. And mayroon tayong nilagyan ko ng tubig tsaka salt, air fryer, microwave. Ay, meron tayong baon, idamami, tapos nilagyan ko
What
ng
finger got stepped on?
Did that?
chili flakes. Alright, we're good. Kelsey, we'll see you in Adelaide. What time is it?
12
Oh, my razor.
o'clock, so yeah.
12:09.
Bit after
So,
5.
before 5, andun na tayo. 5, yeah. Nagbihis tayo kasi para lumapit sa akin si Indy. Alam mo yun, si Indy ayaw dun sa ladybug kong jumper or sweatshirt. Yung gamit ko kanina. Grabe talaga yung iyak niya. Yung first time ko yung gamitin papunta dun sa kanila. Iyak talaga siya, grabe. So ngayon, Indy, sana okay itong outfit ni Tita Manay. First stop ng Waring. Bibili sila ng si Kuya pagkain. Alam niyo yun si Kuya. Life, food is life.
Guys,
You bought that one again. Is it sour? Ngayon pa lang tayo mag-work. Ayan yung ating first time natin siyang ibiyahe.
what's that?
My laptop.
Why is it in there?
Because this is the case.
What?
Mag-work na tayo habang sila. Ako hindi ako kakain kasi kumain na tayo.
I don't know what the open sauce is, but it must sound good.
What you got, yan? Ang dami nyo namang ano.
There was only small.
Can I show it to them, Kuya, what you got? What's this? Chicken schnitzel with cheese, bacon, and ugly sauce. Ugly sauce talaga
Wait, I
nakalagay.
think I got the Duxie. No, they're my taste.
Oh my god, this is big. It's hot too.
Look at him drooling in the back. How are you
Oh,
going to get your mouth around that?
oh my
Oh, I will
god.
just.
It's hot too, yeah.
What's the ugly? Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it is.
What's the ugly?
You won't know
I
tonight.
don't know what's the ugly.
Oh, yes, I will.
Dan's ordering pizza
Ah, we're gonna have
Oh,
pizza
yeah.
tonight.
when we get there.
Hello, loser.
You can have what Mum gets. No.
Ah, so
Dad, try
pizza raw
that.
yung dinner
Dad,
mamaya ng
try
boys. What's this? River port, raspberry and lemonade.
Try that.
Han, try daw.
I've had that before, mate.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, I'm
I
alright.
got the Blue Lake. Remember
Good.
you tried the
Not
Blue Lake?
that. That was in a glass.
Ah yeah, so it's better in the glass.
That's not the same.
Okay. Honey. Alright, mag-edit.
It's been
na.
raining up here.
Yeah, it's wet.
Oh,
Good?
that
Oh.
ugly sauce, is that good? What is it? Spicy.
Spicy. Kuya, sarap i-vlog ni Kuya.
That chicken schnitzel looks good.
I can make that for lunch.
No. Oh, well, can you Monday?
We're not. We don't have chicken. Remember, we had it for dinner.
No, for beef, like beef.
We don't have beef.
I'm going up to Adelaide Monday. I'm staying in Adelaide for footy.
Monday until Monday.
No, we come back Monday, I leave, come back Tuesday.
Love, I never knew until the day that I met you. Colors were gray.
Nag-stop lang kami saglit dito sa Tarpina. Kasi sisak nag-toilet. Nakatulog din yun eh. Tulog sila. Naihilang sila kaya gumising.
Melody sung sounded the same. The sun, stars, and moon all feeling brighter, breath feeling new. Do what you do. You took my days, filled them with light. Now I can say, baby, it's our time together. Girl, I wanna live my life with you forever. When you're with me,
Ang pangit na ng weather dito guys sa Adelaide. Mas worse ang weather nila dito compare sa amin. Usually sa amin yung worse ang weather compare sa city. But this time, ang pangit ang weather nila. Maulap ba? And saving na yung aking ini-edit guys. So may vlog tayo mamaya. Hinat ko kasi nasa 33 minutes. 33 minutes na yung na-edit ko. Mahaba kasi itong vlog. Ang dami kasing ganap dito sa unang araw namin. Kaya may part 2 to. Pasensya naman. May part 2 kasi alangan naman 1 hour mahigit yung papanoorin niyo. Mahaba itong vlog. Time is 4:48. So 5:30 tayo makakarating doon. Uy, Dong! Dong! Ang yabang ni Dong. Naka-G-ka. G-Shock. Ang yabang. Naka-G-Shock. Hoy! Ang yabang mo, may G-Shock ka. Alam ko, G-Shock yan. G-Shock. Dong! Dong! Pero G-Shock ang style niya eh. Dong! I like your watch, Dong. What time is it, Dong?
I would like me a watch.
Say hi, guys! I'm Indy. Tita Manay is back. Tita Manay is back. Ang parang weather nyo compare sa
Maganda yun sa inyo.
medyo magano may sunset kasi hindi umulan. Ay, nakikipag.
Okay, tapos data. Meron akong coconut drink.
Yeah, both.
Oh no,
Nung naglain kasi ako, nag-isa-isa pa ako.
Hindi kami nagigisa. May ano ka? May ano ka ba? May alamang? Yes! Oh yeah, very good. Bagoong lagay ka, Ben. Number 1. Na ilalagay natin. Where are you going? What are you doing?
Alam mo ba, pagdating ninyo, tulog yan si Arlo, ginising ko lang.
Oh,
Ask me something.
I know. Is that here? Ay, ang bango. Huwag mong itapon yung anak kasi baka
Tawag itapon.
muna. Huwag mong
Natapon ko lang yung isa.
Oh, okay lang.
Meron pa ako dun.
Ah, okay. Sige. That's okay. Okay. Kasi minsan nagkukulang ang nadadagdag ako.
Meron ako pa.
Ay, no. Ubusin mo na yan. Tapos, asin, bagoong. Mga dalawang yan na tablespoon. Shit, kompleto siya. My God.
Diba?
Kompleto siya sa palya. Aya, give it to Ayla. Ate, that's your...
Nagdamdam na naman ito.
Kailangan niya yan ngayon.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Marami pa siya ulam mo. Dami.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Hindi ko baka nabutawa yung iba.
Ate, loko. Look at Kuya. Kuya.
Oy, asen.
Yeah.
Tapos na?
Sige pa.
Let me know when.
Okay, yan na muna. Tapos lagay kang Velveta.
Alam, kanina pa yung kaundi.
Alin?
Yan. Let me know when.
Ayan, sige. Sige lang muna. Konti muna kasi mamaya titikman. Sige pa, para. Okay, that's enough for now.
Tapos bagoong.
Dalawan yan, 2 tablespoon. Please. Naggisa ka nung ano?
Ano?
Nung first mong laing?
Oo.
Hindi kasi
Okay
kami,
naman. Oo.
hindi kasi
Okay
kami,
naman. Kasi hindi ko alam naman.
hindi kami nagigisa eh. Ganyan, isang ano.
Isa?
Isa pa. Kalahati niyan, kalahati na lang. Are you hungry?
Ito.
Yeah. Kasi mamaya pwede.
Tapos, diretso na to.
Oo. Takpan mo po. Mahina lang ha, para hindi siya masunog. Mahina lang yung apoy. Mahina lang para hindi masunog. Ay, what do you...
ba?
Oh, takpan mo para mag-ano siya. Mag-moist. Nakakuha ka ng avocado oil? Meron na sa ano? Meron na.
Costco. Yeah, marami. Ang dami.
Oh, that's good. Tapos balik ng avocado oil. Sarap, ang bango. Yan ang dinner nila. Oh.
You guys want bread and sauce?
Sarap. Naamoy ko. Babe! Ah! What's on?
Zach,
Oh, sure, yeah.
what's that? Zach, can you pass me the...
You grab the wrong one.
Hindi ko pa na-upload na kayong balik natin.
Dito na naman siya, guys. Yung lang niya, yung kailan. Hintayin niyo na lang yung sa side niya, ha?
Kasi iba rin yung makikita yun sa side ko. Ang first time magkukook siya.
Your water's there.
Ito na yung blaring.
Mom, can I try that?
Yeah, it's spicy
Why does
though.
it look muddy?
May bulalo.
Mom, why does it look muddy?
Nilagang baka.
Nilagang baka.
Yeah.
Why does it look muddy?
Bakit daw mukhang puti?
Holy na.
Holy, don't say that. Mali daw. It's spicy. Yes,
Nakatulog ko na yung
it's good.
Up.
Ito pala kayo nanonood ng food.
Kasi yung dalawa.
Holly.
I'll make you guess.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, that's me. Just put it on the
Masarap to. Yung punang prito, ang partner ni Kuya. Uy, yung isa siya yung juicy. Uy, ang sarap.
Cut the eyes.
Where's that big block I said that we don't want to use? Yep. Oh, it's under there.
Ano, what do you want?
Can I find more of that? It's kind of...
Got enough eyes now.
Oh,
Where did my drink go, bud?
Here, babe.
Was it there?
Can we share?
Naman ba? Yung ano, sili?
Sarap.
You okay, boys? Here.
Sarap na.
it's a chili now.
Yeah, it's spicy.
What's that going?
It's pork ba?
What did you give me that?
Hala, hindi ka nakapag-ano.
Ano? Okay na kasi may bulalo. Bulalo yun. Sarap.
We want a shitload of games.
Ito ang sarap. Ang sarap nito, pag nakakita kang malaking daing, ang sarap talaga.
Instead of pork.
Magagay kang taba lang. Tapos daing, ay, ang sarap yung malalaking daing.
Mom, what's this called?
Like bulalo.
Like bulolo. The one that we had in Queensland?
Tapos na kami kumain, may pamuskat, ang sisig. Ay, ito yung natikman natin sa sisig. Ito may lang pamuskat dito. Okay na. Okay. Baba, naalala ko. Okay, sorry. Lagi kong muskat
Kasi puro lang.
Kasi sa atin yung ano, hindi. Ito siya lang kasi kapapaan dito. May paputok-putok na to eh. Parang ewan. Cheers tayo. Cheers. Hindi lang ating mangga.
Congrats.
Diyan lang. Wala naman. Congrats sa'yo.
Kaya nga din ako pagka nakatingin kasi para sa vlog mo.
Smiley faces in the vapor, counting corners till we get to any place but where I'm at. Every exit's getting louder. I'd assure you that it's nothing, but